Welcome back to the Ethical Hacking series. I am Intruder, the instructor of this course. In this video, we will be learning what is BurpSuite, how to install Burp, and how to configure Burp with your browser. Before we get started, I recommend you to watch all the previous videos of Ethical Hacking series. The links are in the description box. So let's get started. BurpSuite is one of the most important tools of web application hackers. Burp allows you to see and manipulate requests going to the server. For example, if you want to visit google.com, you just search for it. But how does your browser connects to the server, how request goes to the server, and how the server responds? Burp helps you to see the request made by your browser to the server and see the response made by the server. Moreover, Burp includes multiple other tools like Repeater, Intruder, and much more. We will be learning about all the details of these tools in next video. So let's see how to install and start Burp. Burp is already installed in Kali Linux. But let's see how to download Burp and configure it manually. To download Burp, go to Google and search for BurpSuite download. Visit the first link. This is the official website of portswigger. Now click on Go straight to Downloads. Here you can select the edition and the OS for which you want to download. The community version is free to use, whereas the professional version is paid one. You can use the jar version of Burp if you have Java environment running on your machine. We will be using the Linux version in this video. Click on the download button. The download will begin in few seconds. Wait till it gets downloaded. Now to install, go to Applications and open a terminal. Now enter the commands with me. The command list is also available in the description box. cd downloads. With this command, we will navigate to the downloads folder in our machine. Now use ls. You can see the downloaded file name of BurpSuite. To give the permission to install it, use chmod +x and the downloaded file name. Once done, use // and the file name to run the file. The installation wizard for BurpSuite will start soon. So we have our Burp installation window. Click on Next. Here you can change the location of the folder in which you want to install BurpSuite. I will keep it same. Here it is asking for the location in which you want to store the executable file. Again, keep it same. Burp will extract all the files and will install all the components in few minutes. Once it finishes installing Burp, click on Finish to exit the Setup wizard. Now to start BurpSuite, go to Applications, click on BurpSuite. Burp will take few minutes to start. So we have our Burp running perfectly. Here it says, do we want to open a temporary project? BurpSuite community version is limited to temporary projects. You can prefer using professional version if you want to save your files. Let's use temporary project. Now it is asking us if we want to add any configuration file. Configuration files consist of all the inspo and out-of-scope domains. For now, we will use the Burp's default configuration file. Click on Start Burp to start. Your BurpSuite will start in few seconds. So here is our BurpSuite. The above shown taskbar consists of multiple tools like Repeater, Intruder, Decoder. The names shown here are some of the web vulnerabilities. We will be covering all this in our upcoming video. For now, we will just go to Proxy tab. Now let's see how to configure your browser to Burp. To do so, we need a tool to change our proxy frequently. For that, let's use an extension. Open up your browser. In Kali, Firefox is the default browser. Go to Google and search for Foxy Proxy. Foxy Proxy extension helps you to change the proxy when you want. As the first link is for Firefox extensions, I will go with it. If you have Chrome, you can go to Chrome Store to download the extension. Now click on Add button to add the extension to your browser. The extension will be added to your browser in few seconds. So I have my Foxy Proxy added to my browser and is available to use as shown here. Now to add our Burp proxy, click on the extension and click on Options. Click on Add button on the left corner. Give your proxy a title, like Burp Proxy. Now here give your proxy IP address. That is 127.0.0.1. Now to see the port number, go back to Burp. Click on Options. Here you can see the IP address as well as the port number, which is 8080. Let's go back to browser and add the port. Now click on Save button to save the details. We can now use the Burp proxy with just a single tap. Let's switch to Burp proxy and visit google.com. You can see I am getting an error. This is because your browser needs Burp certificate to visit secured sites. To download the certificate, go back to Burp. Make sure your interceptor is on. On browser, make sure you are using Burp proxy. Once done, go to URL and enter the following URL. The URL is also available in description box. Now click on the CA certificate button to download the certificate. I have successfully downloaded the certificate. To install it, go to your browser settings and search for certificates. Click on View Certificates. We need to import a new certificate. Go to the file which you have just downloaded. Make sure you click on this checkboxes. Without this, you won't be able to run Burp. Now go back and search for Google. As our interceptor is on, we won't see the page. Go to Burp. Here you can see the request to Google from your browser. We will be learning all this in upcoming videos. For now, turn on the interceptor in order to see the page. So that's all in this video. If you have any issues while configuring or installing BurpSuite, please let me know in the comment section, or you can contact me on my socials given in the description box. See you in the next video.